This comment is all you need to know. The problem between we, the Anyomas, and the Binis. Even though they are trying to extend it to the entire Igbos. From the comment section, you will understand. Pause and read this comment. Supremacy of power is the problem. This guy is glorifying his forefathers' atrocity. Imagine that kind of thing. Today, no Portuguese who helped the Benis to colonize their fellow human being, invade them and sell them as slaves. No Portuguese are proud. Even the Britain that colonized us are not proud to say we colonized them. But these people are proud in the atrocity and the evil their forefathers committed. They don't know that I get them before not be property. They want to still remain in the 21st century to be saying they are supreme, that they did it before and they have the audacity over us. Tell me the difference between you guys and Fulani herdsmen. Because people like you will be blaming Fulani herdsmen saying they are kidnapping people. Last 2 months, a big Joe Moto, 18-seater bus, was kidnapped in Okpala Road by Fulani herdsmen. But that is what we are glorifying it. That your forefathers invaded town, kidnap people, sell it to the Portuguese. That is what you want to brag about pre-colonial era, when it is slave trade time. Funny enough, the irony of it is that the Fulani today are selling for billions of naira. Your forefathers were selling their fellow human being because of ogogoro, a bottle of whiskey, because of Miro, because of umbrella. It is written in you people's in that ring road there. The museum there is there. The evidence is there that you people enslave our people who are living peacefully for a bottle of. Even if it's hidden, it is there in a Kawa campus, Uniben. Because you people have those things you don't read. You are glorifying in 21st century that what your forefather did a good thing, and you want Nigeria to move forward. Somebody in the comment section is even saying that the Oba of Bini is greater than all the Igbo kings. See, comparing the Benins with the entire Igbo is an insult to the Igbos. I'm the one saying that I've tried to be polite, to be civil when I'm making video. I don't want to make comparison. I don't want to insult anybody. But you people are throwing shade without thinking. You people are throwing shade without comparing before you make comments. The Igbo that were killed and given 20 pounds after the civil war still overtake you, become the richest tribe in the entire Africa. You are comparing yourself with them. Even the Anyoma in Delta State, with the Igbos in Delta State are greater than the Benin. Let me give you an example. One of our daughter, Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala, is more influential than Nigerian president, talk less of their Benin kings. One of our daughter, we know talk of men. You won't make we begin call men. Ndi ji aka na-eme ego no Igbo. Na Anyoma, I know the talk of the 9 local government in Delta State alone is greater. One of our daughter, and you are comparing yourself with the entire Igbo race. This is an insult. But when they reply you people with fact and evidence, say they insult your kings. But now go face they throw shade, they insult people. Supremacy, you want to buga for what I get them before not be property. Not be. So you people are happy in slavery. You people are happy in killing your fellow human beings. So are you not barbarian in nature? How do you want to defend it? This is the problem we have in 21st century. Your election is close by, yo. I've said it time without no. Your election is close by. Boy, it is we, the Anyoma people, who carry for head. Paliana Abu Nesi Boba. I'm out of here, Joe.